big theme at the moment in final salary pensions is trying to get members online. And that's for two reasons. The first one is that if you can get customers looking after themselves, logically it's going to reduce the back-end administration, so customers keeping their own details up to date, even viewing pension benefits is a good thing. And clearly from a customer's point of view, why should a final salary pension in their eyes be any different from a banking app? The fact is they are, largely because the underlying technology was never designed to support member self-serve. And we know some very large schemes that have no member self-serve. So at Mantle, about 4 years ago, we developed a smartphone app. And the real value of the smartphone app is that nowadays most people do everything on their phone. You only have to be on a bus, at a bus stop or on the train, to see people like that. And the other value of the smartphone is very easy to get people registered. We can get people registered in about 1 minute using a unique QR code. And once they're in the app, they can get back in easily. And that's the key to getting people online and then making them stay online. If you make it difficult to re-register with one-time codes, things of that nature, people don't use these websites every day and they will forget. So making it easy to get in and get back in again is absolutely critical.
Our plans for the future with Mantle, first of all, is my pocket pension. So we're working on our data to get our data in a good place.
I think we want to be able to develop and grow the business so that we can do more that we didn't do before. And I think the biggest aspect of that is bringing in member self-service, which is something that the Mantle platform offers. We want, rather than members waiting 12 months for an annual benefit statement or having to put in formal writing that they would like some information, we would really like to be able to have them have that information at their fingertips at home in the evening, in their own time, on their own devices.
You can see all your benefits, age 55 to 75 if that's appropriate. You get a live transfer value. Find out what happens when you die, keep your personal details up to date. You can even message the administrator. So it's a modern solution for final salary pensions.